here's your sewing tip for today. When you have completed sewing your garment or whatever item you're sewing, make sure you give it a good press. Just like this. Just make sure your seams are nice and flat. It's preferable if you use a little bit of steam. These are pillows, which you saw me make in my video. The comfort pillow, the Mother's Love comfort pillow. And I'm just opening out the seams and pressing them so that when I stuff them, they're going to be nice and crisp. All of the folds in the fabric will be gone. And it looks a lot better. Makes a nicer presentation. Whether you're giving them for a gift or you just have them in your living room, what have you. Yes, always go ahead and press those flat and, give them a good press. Looks better. You'll feel better about it. Yes, and your customers feel better when you take the time to do this as well. Don't just give it to them in any condition. This really worked out well because the seams help to make the pressing that much more crisp. So yeah, so open those seams when you're finished pressing, when you're finished sewing. Go ahead and press it out. And yeah, make it even. Nice and flat and presentable. This is a regular steam iron. Nothing really different. It is Black & Decker. And just looking for the opening to press that flat first and get that out of the way. Makes it easier when you get ready to close that. And this has the corner of the pillow. Look at those puppy faces. Look at the puppies. Look at the puppies. Aren't they so cute? Yeah. They're gonna be great. Perfect. As you see, I have choices. Depends on what your taste is for your decor. Pop of color. Or something a little more toned down. But they work well in the living or the bedroom, these pillows. Just watch my video on how to make these pillows. So that's all I have for today for right now. Sewing tips that work and help your product look better every time. Like and subscribe. See you next time.